Ever wondered about the various spell techniques in witchcraft and how to use them? Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the mystical realm of spell techniques. We'll be exploring a variety of methods, including the use of poppets, spoken charms, bottles and jars, spell bags, spell bowls, sigils, candle magic, and not magic. Each technique carries its own unique appeal and power, and we'll be unveiling the secrets behind each one. Ready to delve into the world of witchcraft spells? Let's begin with our first technique, poppets. Poppets, small handmade figurines, are a key part of many witchcraft traditions. These charming little figures serve as physical representations of the person or situation on which the spell is focused. Crafting a poppet is a personal process and can be as simple or intricate as you wish, often made from cloth and filled with herbs or other symbolic materials. The magic happens when you breathe life into your poppet, often by whispering your intentions or desires into it. Now that you've learned about poppets, let's move on to spoken charms. Spoken charms are one of the oldest and most common forms of spellcasting. They hold a special place in witchcraft, their power lying in the words, intention and emotion behind them. To craft your own spoken charm, you need to focus on your intent, choose your words carefully, and infuse them with your energy. The charm can be as simple or complex as you like. The key is to believe in your words and visualize your intention while speaking. Recite your charm with conviction and passion and see your magic come alive. With our spoken charms ready, let's explore the magic of bottles and jars. Bottles and jars, ordinary objects with extraordinary powers in the world of witchcraft. These humble vessels become containers of magic, holding ingredients that resonate with our intentions. To prepare them, we carefully select and cleanse each one, then fill them with herbs, crystals, or other symbolic elements. These items embody our desires, and as they're sealed within, they set the stage for the manifestation of our spells. The purpose? To focus energy, to capture the essence of our intention, and to create a physical representation of our desired outcome. Bottles and jars offer a unique way to cast spells. Up next, spell bags. Spell bags and bowls, sigils, candle magic, and not magic. A plethora of techniques await your exploration. Let's delve into them. Spell bags, also known as charm bags or mojo bags, are small sacks filled with herbs, stones, and other magical items. They're used to attract or repel certain energies. Spell bowls, on the other hand, are usually filled with items that represent something the caster wishes to manifest. Now, onto sigils. These are symbols created for a specific magical purpose. They're usually drawn or carved into candles, stones, or paper. Speaking of candles, in candle magic, the color, shape, and type of candle are crucial. The candle's flame is believed to send one's intention out into the universe. Lastly, we have knot magic. This is where knots are tied with intention, each knot holding a magical significance. It's an ancient practice that's still used widely today. These techniques offer a variety of ways to cast spells and create magic. From poppets to not magic, we've explored a wide range of spell techniques in witchcraft today. The world of witchcraft is a vast and diverse one, brimming with myriad methods to manifest intentions. We journeyed through the tactile art of poppets, the verbal enchantment of spoken charms, and the containment power of bottles and jars. We delved into the practicality of spell bags and bowls, the symbolic potency of sigils, the elemental connection of candle magic, and the binding strength of knot magic. Each technique, unique in its essence, offers a distinct path to harnessing and directing energy. They form the varied tapestry of spellcraft, each thread contributing to a grander picture. But let's not forget the most crucial element of all, your intent and belief. It's the soul of any spell, the driving force that turns technique into magic. As we conclude, remember, the magic isn't just in the technique, but in the intent and belief behind it. Happy spellcasting!